How were pyramids built? Massive stones, perfect alignment, slave labor, or advanced tech? Let's debunk and debate. Traditional theory: 20,000 to 100,000 workers over 20 years using ramps, levers, and manpower for Khufu's pyramid.
Not slaves, skilled, paid laborers like farmers during Nile floods, organized in teams.
Discoveries: bakeries, breweries, graves prove fed, housed workforce, not brutal enslavement.
2.3 million blocks, 2 to 15 tons each. How without wheels or machines? Engineering marvel.
Ramp theory: mud brick slopes at 7 to 10 degrees for dragging stones on sleds. Ancient trick: water-lubricated sand, halving friction. Smart, simple innovation. Levers and counterweights: wooden tools to position heavy stones accurately.
Tools: copper chisels, diorite balls cut limestone via abrasion techniques.
Stones quarried nearby, transported via Nile. Efficient supply chain.
Myth busted. Hieroglyphs show proud workers, even labor strikes recorded.
But what if wrong? Advanced tech myths suggest lost knowledge or aliens.
Acoustic levitation. Theory claims sound moved masses, like modern ultrasound experiments.
Science lifts tiny items with sound, but tons? Unproven for pyramids.
Anti-gravity myths. Aliens or ancients defying physics. No evidence found.
Energy theories. Pyramids as power plants using Earth's vibrations.
Critics. No wiring or tech remnants, just stone tombs.
Advanced ramps, zigzag or internal spirals for upper levels efficiency.
Jean-Pierre Houdin. Spiral ramps inside pyramid, supported by microgravimetry scans.
Evidence: 1980s scans hint at ramps within structure.
Workers fueled by 4,000 calories daily. Beer, bread for strength.
One block every 2 to 3 minutes? Feasible with organized shifts.
Ancient astronauts. Von Däniken claims ET help. What if true?
Debunk. No alien artifacts. Human ingenuity explains all.
Evolving tools. Egyptians improved levers over dynasties.
Canals, floaty stones close, reducing land transport.
Giant myths. Biblical Nephilim. No skeletal evidence supports.
Experiments. Teams built mini pyramids using ancient methods successfully.
Question: undiscovered tech? Debates rage in comments.
Similar feats. Stonehenge stones moved without lost tech.
Precision. Sand abrasion for smooth surfaces. No lasers needed. Alignment. Astronomical sightings. Simple instruments for accuracy.
Graffiti. Workers left marks like Friends of Khufu Gang.
Concrete theory. Debunked. Geology shows natural quarried stone.
Evidence. Ramp traces found at pyramid bases.
Theory: pyramids focus energy. No measurable proof.
Vote. Slave labor or advanced myths? Comment below.
Balance. Human effort likely, but mysteries remain open.
Simulations. Modern AI recreates methods supporting ramps.
Theories. Ramps, levers versus levitation. Aliens.
Recent finds could change everything. Stay tuned.
Subscribe for more pyramid debates and mysteries.
Next, Orion alignments, alien or astronomy?
Thanks to experts like Mark Lehner for insights.
Weight equals 1,000 Empire State Buildings.
Share if this sparked debate. Tag friends.
Pyramids stand as testament to human genius. Mysteries inspire. Keep questioning history.
What's your build theory? Drop in comments.
Perhaps mix ramps plus unknown aids.
Key. Evidence favors human labor over myths.
Key. Evidence favors human labor over myths.
Precision. Achieved with math, not magic.
Worldwide. Similar methods in other cultures.
By 2030, new scans reveal more.
Thanks for watching. Your curiosity drives us. Front.
Join Eye of Eternity for eternal enigmas.
Watch our Muon Scans video next.
History whispers. Listen to the stones.
What if advanced tech hides beneath?
Hit bell for next revelation alerts.
Workers live 30, 30, 35 hard-working lives.
From slaves to aliens, debate continues.
Discuss in our Ancient Tech Forum.
Approach with science and imagination balanced.
Giza endures, secrets intact.
Part of Pyramid Series. Explore more.
Sources, Egyptology books, recent papers.
Congrats on finishing. You're a history pro.
Mysteries eternal, like the stars.
Mysteries eternal, like the stars.
Like if enlightened, share the wonder.
No evidence for ancient aircraft aids.
Tools advanced over time, naturally.
The build puzzle, solved or not.